we know that humans can get the flu, but dogs too?
I have to confess, in all my years of dog ownership, I don't know that I ever had a dog with the flu. How would I know? Dr. Jill joins us now. And hi, doctor. Thanks for giving us a little of your time.
Good morning.
How common is this?
Well, it's not super common, but it is the season, and a lot of dogs can get the flu. We don't have a huge problem in California. I want to make sure people know that so they don't run out and ask their veterinarian for flu vaccines. Only a specific group of dogs can be exposed to this. However, it can spread once those dogs are out. Dog shows, grooming, dog parks, places like that where pets are together is the most common transmission. You cannot give your dog your flu, so don't panic about that.
Okay, that's good news. And we're showing on the screen right now some of the symptoms. So run through those with the folks at home so we know what to look for.
Well, coughing, of course, you start off as a cough, and a lot of people confuse the flu with kennel cough. And it's very, I want to make sure people understand it's very hard to detect the flu in your pets because usually once they start showing symptoms, it's very serious. It can get way deep down into the lungs, and as you can see a lung model here, you can see the lung consolidation, and it's hard to diagnose. So coughing, sneezing, lack of appetite, fevers, lethargy, things like that can certainly be symptoms, but it's very difficult. Make sure you check with your veterinarian about the flu.
Now, a lot of us think about getting a flu shot this time of year. Do I gather there's not one for our dogs?
There is a flu shot, actually. There's a little vial right here, and it's made by Intervet. Most veterinarians will carry it. It's a 2-part vaccine series, so make sure if you're going to do that, you have to follow through 4 weeks later with the first vaccine. And yes, you can, if your dog, especially if you're going to dog shows or you're out in the public, that's where you want to go to have this taken care of. You want to have a vaccine for your pet.
And just to be clear, we saw lovely little Diva just conked out there. Normally Diva is up and bouncing around having fun. She's feeling okay this morning, right? She doesn't have the canine flu.
She's okay. She's very lazy. It's early, and she hasn't had her treats yet, so she's conking out here.
She had a long weekend, kicking back on a Monday. Thanks, Dr. Jill. It's always a pleasure talking to you. If you have any questions for Dr. Jill, you can shoot us an email. We'll get you guys hooked up there, and she can come to your house. She's the mobile vet. I love that.
Yeah.
8:39, the season finale of Master Chef.